Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So do you want to know about Oculus online store review? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. Also, people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and to not skip any part of it. So now we'll talk about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this is an online shopping store which deals with accessories. They offer accessories like headphones and many other accessories related products. So if you're interested in checking them out, you have to visit to their official site. So next, if you want to know about their payment method, for that you have to go to the FAQ section. Scroll it down, and here they have given it. So they have given the payment options. So they mentioned that you can pay through PayPal, also credit and debit card. Now if you want to know about their shipping policy, go to the shipping policy page section. Scroll it down, here they have given it. So they have given the processing timing, the shipping timing and the delivery timing. So it hasn't mentioned here that orders are processed and shipped within 7 working days, and under standard delivery it takes 15 to 20 business days for the orders to be delivered. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. So now if you want to know about their domain details, well, this website was first registered on 13th of November 2021 and it is going to expire on 13th of November 2022, which means it is a very young website and hence it can't be trusted. So now if you want to know about their About Us details, go to the About Us page section. Here they have given some details. But guys, when it comes to their About Us details, they haven't given their business establishment here or about their founder identity. They've only given some information about their mission and about their culture. So now if you want to know about their contact details, they have a separate page section for their contact details. Here as you can see. But the negative point of this website is that they haven't given their contact information anywhere. We have checked in other places as well. In their separate page section also they haven't given, and we have checked in other places. There is no contact information anywhere. So now if we want to know about their social media presence, so we have checked, but this website does not have any social media presence at all, which is another drawback of this site. So now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, go to the shipping and returns, scroll it down, and here they have given it. So it hasn't mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 7 days of delivery. And they haven't given the exact refund timing. They've only mentioned that if you don't like the product, you can return the product for either a partial refund or exchange the product. So guys, please do comment about the experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. So now talking about the Oculus online store reviews, there are no single customer review of this website anywhere. Now if you want to know about their Trust Index score, well, we have checked, but there is no trust score of this website. But we have found the business trust ranking, and the business trust ranking of this website is only 23.6%. It's very low. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Oculus online store review, this website appears to be a scam website. It is a very young website. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their contact information and the business trust ranking is very low. So it seems like it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And have a nice day.